Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup transformation look, and this time my special guest is
Mariam.
So Mariam is my sister-in-law. For you guys that don't know, she is Alejandro's sister, and I am going to be doing a makeup look on her. So I have two looks here on my phone that my sister Shirley picked out, and Mariam doesn't know what they are, and I don't really know because I have to swipe until I end up in one of them, and that's the one that I'm going to be trying to recreate. I'm not going to try to recreate it actually. I'm just going to like guide me like an inspiration look. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what look I end up on. So I went on Instagram. I asked you guys to ask us questions so we could answer and, you know, kind of have like a conversation while I do her makeup. And okay, so I got the look right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start it in the screen for you guys. Mind you can open your eyes already. I'm gonna go ahead and start it in the screen for you guys, and that's gonna be like my inspiration, trying to go something similar to that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using my James Charles palette. I love this palette. It kind of has like a little bit of everything, so that's amazing. Go ahead and flip my hair back, get started because it's about to go down, honey. It's about to go down. I'm gonna go ahead and do Mariam's brows, and while I do her brows, she's gonna go ahead and like kind of introduce herself. Like she's gonna say like, you know, basic info that you guys like, so you guys could like get to know her a little better. Go.
Okay, so my name is Miriam, right? I'm 12, almost 13 on April 25th. I was born in Miami, but both my parents are Cuban. What else? I'm in 7th grade. It's kind of boring.
I mean, not that boring because now you're like basically in the house.
Yeah, but like in 7th grade there was no field trips.
Really?
Yeah.
Only at the end of the year?
No, not even. There's
What?
nothing. I only had one, and it was to this boring museum. It was so boring. It was so boring. It was like a musical. I slept through it. I'm sorry. It was just really boring.
Oh my god.
For real. I couldn't.
Okay, what else do you have to say about yourself?
Okay, I like dancing and basketball and TikTok, obviously.
Yeah, guys, Mariam, if she's not doing a TikTok, then she's watching like TV or something, but that's basically all she does. I want to start doing like some cooking videos for my channel since you guys request them all the time, but I'm not sure what I want to cook. So I got an idea that I should put a poll on Instagram and ask you guys what I should do for that, like for that day, you get me? So make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram so you don't miss out when I actually put the poll.
That's how much makeup stuff was in there?
Oh yeah.
That is crazy.
Eyes are set. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the.
Now I can't look over there.
No, you could look, so because they have to see your eyes. Just close your eyes. Anyways, you have to close them. Okay, so we kind of got her base going. We're gonna go ahead and start darkening up the outer eye. Like I mentioned, we went on Instagram and we asked you guys to ask us questions, and one of the questions was, what was your first impression of me when you met me?
Okay, that was a long time ago.
Yeah, Mariam was very young when we met each other. She was like, I think like 7 or 8. So she was super young, but I remember her.
Okay, so I was always like super shy until like a little bit ago, actually. So
Like 2 minutes ago? No,
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
No, but when was the okay, we met at my house.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. So let me think about this.
Like when I walked in the door, what was like your first, like what did you think when you saw me? Like the first thing you thought?
I was nervous.
You were nervous?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, because I didn't know you. I was like, oh my god. Now it's just like I'm shy, and now I have to like introduce myself.
Oh yeah, I remember her parents were like, Mariam, because she was on the couch with her little iPad and her headphones. And then they're like, Mariam, get up and say hi. Like, you know, you have like a visitor. Like, it doesn't matter if it's your brother's girlfriend or whatever. You know, like, it's a visitor.
Yeah.
And she was like, okay. And she was like, it was so hard to get her to say hi to me. Because she was really shy. Like, she was hiding behind her mom. Like, just trying to avoid me.
I used to be super shy. I didn't even like sleeping over at anybody else's house.
I know.
Because I just like was so connected to my mom. Like a little bit too connected. But now it's just like whatever.
Yeah, she's getting better.
Yeah.
But yeah. When I first started dating her brother, we barely hung out. I think because of like the age gap too, because you know I was older than her and stuff.
Yeah.
But now that she's a little older, she like comes over and she stays over like almost every weekend with my sister. We just like hang out and
Yeah, we talk a lot.
yeah.
Well, I talk a lot. I think I talk too much. I always talk too much.
Now we're gonna go ahead, cut the crease.
Oh my god, there's a crease.
We're gonna cut the crease to continue with the look. We're almost done. It's actually not that hard. You know, it's not gonna be exactly the same, but we're like going off of that picture. Crease is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the little shimmer.
Shimmer, shimmer.
So something that you guys don't know about Mariam is that she is expecting a new sibling. So you want to tell them about your new sibling?
So it's gonna be a girl.
It's gonna be a girl and she's pretty excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Because she has a brother, which is obviously Alejandro.
So now it's gonna be a sister, so it's gonna be something different, I think.
Yeah, and she's gonna be the big sister because right now she's the little one. So that should be fun.
A big sister and a little sister
Yeah.
at the same time.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
That's fun. I wish I was a big sister and a little sister because I'm only a big sister.
I've always wanted to be a big sister.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna like it too. Hopefully.
Anything that looks better than what I do, which is everything, I'm excited for.
Okay, so we're gonna clean the whole mess. Guys, when I started doing makeup, I used to do the face first instead of the eyes, and it was so messy until I got the hang of it. What color do you think it is? Well, you could kind of tell with the wipey and the brushes.
I haven't looked at that. Okay. It's not blue.
It's not blue.
I don't know. Purple?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm not gonna tell her either way. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the face. Finishing off, we just need the lips and a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna set her face and dry it. I need to get one of those
fans.
Yeah.
One of those fans.
Mascara. She's gonna blink. She's nervous because she says she's gonna blink a lot. I told her to just let me know because it's better for her to blink and to tend to mess it up, you get me? So just tell me, okay, you're gonna look lower, like right there. Okay, there. I was trying so hard not to mess it up. Okay, now lips. The look is done. I actually really like this one. It's so pretty. I've never done a look like this one, but I'm actually very proud. It's obviously not the same as the picture, but it's like, you know, my version. I'm gonna give Mariam her you know, her little mirror so she can see herself. Ready?
I'm scared.
Of what?
Oh my god.
You like it?
It looks so good.
It's pretty, right? I really like it.
It's really good.
It's like a little purple moment.
It's so good. I love it. It's really nice.
Ready? Okay, so that is the look, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down any other video recommendation you guys want me to do on my channel. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.